Hello, my name is Ellie Mercer, and last time I introduced my topic as human trafficking. Today I will be sharing a story from CBS Albany News called Victims Advocate Explains Tactics Sex Traffickers Are Using to Lure Teens by Anne McCoy. This story will really help put into perspective what exactly is happening to victims. Marie was a victim of sex trafficking, and at only 19 she got roped into trafficking. This man would buy alcohol for her and her underage friends. When Marie and her dad got into a fight, the man who had been buying alcohol for her, Michael Lilly, offered her a place to stay. Lilly had been a customer of her waitressing job, and she moved into his spare bedroom, not knowing what Lilly would demand in return. He began setting up appointments for her to meet with men for sex. Today, Lilly is in federal prison after he got caught trafficking high school girls with the same method he used to manipulate Marie in at least one case. Lilly paid a teen boy to coax young girls to come over to his house. A man named Fowler says sex traffickers will do everything they can to gain victims' trust and appear as a friend. He or she will get to know the victim in and out and learn what the victim can be manipulated with. This story is someone else's because thankfully I've never had to experience such a thing as this one. It is hard for girls, especially young ones, to distinguish between friend and foe. Educating and learning what the signs are for identifying those intending harm upon you or others is important. Marie thought of this man as a friend, and yet he used her. Thank you for listening, and I hope this story really puts sex trafficking into perspective for you and helped you understand it a little better.